So with that, i-discuss naman natin ngayon the 3 life insurance products you must have today. Everyone must have these 3 life insurance products in their portfolio. So again, dun sa financial planning with the heart na dinidiscuss natin, we have the 3 major financial goals. Lahat tayo dapat mag-prepare dyan. Long-term savings, income protection, or income replacement in case of death, and then healthcare funding. Lahat yan dapat meron tayo. Kung pwedeng makuhanan natin lahat, the better. So of course, may mga uunahin tayo dyan. So let's discuss first savings, long-term savings. Here is our best-selling product right now sa AIA. Kalahati ng sales ng AIA is from this product. Kasi savings, pag-iipon, tamang discipline. Diba? At least hindi uubusin lang din natin yung pera natin. Saving for the rainy days, for the long term, kailangan natin yan. So this product is called AIA A+ Signature. I have a more in-depth product discussion about this in my other video. You can check it. But let's run through it right now. It's a limited pay endowment plan na nagbibigay ng 3 guarantee. Guaranteed cash payout, guaranteed 200% yung life insurance mo, and then guaranteed payment period. Yun yung gusto natin. Hindi ito VUL. This is not an investment. This is a long-term savings plan. Ano yung feature niya? No, to summarize it, it gives a guaranteed payout every 2 years starting at the end of year 6, after 6 years. Right? For the rest of your life, or for the rest of the life of the insured, every 2 years mag-payout siya, starting on the 6 years from now. Yung payment equivalent niya is 10% ng face amount. Kung kumuha ka ng 1 million na face amount, 10% of that, 100,000, yun yung payout every 2 years. Alright? And then the life insurance coverage naman is 2 times the face amount. Kung 1 million ang face amount, 2 million ang life insurance coverage. So 2 million every 1 million face amount. Meron siyang guaranteed paying period. 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, or 20 years to pay. So tatlo yan. After paying, guaranteed na yung coverage, guaranteed na yung insurance, guaranteed yung payout up to age 100 or until you're alive. Alright, meron siyang mga optional riders. Pwede mo lagyan ng total and permanent disability in case of total and permanent disability nga. Kailangan lagyan ng personal accident. Pwedeng lagyan ng personal accident insurance or in case of accidental death. Pwedeng lagyan ng payer's term benefit kung iba yung payer sa insured. Kunyari, anak mo yung insured. And of course, payer's benefit on death and disability. Kunyari, yun, may nangyari sa owner, yung parents yung owner, tapos yung insured yung anak. Di ba? Para fully paid na yung plan niya, ma-waive na yung future premiums niya. Pwedeng lagyan ng ganun kung yung anak is minor pa. So magkano yan, DJ? Alright, for a 37-year-old male, 130,000 lang, no, 138.50. Right? So meron ka ng 1 million na face amount, which is yung payout is 100,000. Tapos 1 million na total and permanent disability, 1 million na personal accident insurance. So 130,000 for 20 years to pay. Mag-i-start yung payout 6 years from now, every 2 years for the rest of my life. So kung 37 ako, hanggang 57 ako magbabayad, pero beyond 57 may marireceive ako. And then in case of death of the insured, the 2 million gets paid to my beneficiaries or to your beneficiaries. Alright? So kung 10 years to pay yan, tapos ang insured mo naman, pwede kasi yung anak yung insured. Let's say, ang anak is 3 years old, the owner is 37 years old, 10 years to pay lang, instead of 130,000 times 2, which is 260, ito po 213,000 lang. 213,000 for 10 years na lang ang aga matapos. Ika 6th year, starting at the end of 6 years, magbabayad na, makaka-receive ka na ng 100,000 every 2 years for the rest of the life nung anak mo. Alright? So imagine, no, tignan natin, if 3 years old yung insured, sa 213,000 per year, right, face amount of 1 million, yung payout 100,000 every 2 years as starting at the end of year 6. So kung 3 years old yung bata, hanggang mag-start siya ng age 9 niya, age 11, age 13, hanggang age 81. So let's say namatay ng age 82 yung bata. Magkakaroon ng 37 payouts yon from age 9 to age 81. Compute nyo na lang. So 100,000 times 37, that's 3.7 million na payout. And then, upon death of the insured, nung bata, tumanda na siya, may 2 million na makukuha yung apo niya. So imagine 3 generations na nag-benefit. Ikaw muna as owner, ikaw yung magkinabang ng pera. Upon death of the owner, matatransfer yung ownership dun sa insured, which is the bata, na by that time, maybe retiring na rin siya. or malapit na siya mag-retire, makikinabang siya. Upon death of the insured, yung anak, which is apo mo na, makikinabang din. Probably even apo mo sa tuhod kasi apo niya. Makikinabang nung payout na yon. So the total payout is 5.7, total benefits is 5.7 million. Ang naibayad lang na premium is 2.1 million. So more than double of the money invested yung bumalik sa family nyo, sa buong clan ninyo. Di ba, maganda tong pamana, pampalaki ng pera talaga lalo. So, A+ signature, ang maganda dito, we have a lower minimum face amount. The minimum face amount is just 250,000 lang. Ang payout niya 10%, which is 25,000. So, magkano yun? I checked for a 38 years old yung female, 4 years old yung anak na male, 33,530 lang a year, or just about 3,000 a month. Meron ka ng 25,000 payout starting at the end of year 6 for the rest of the life of nung anak mo. So kung 4 years old lang yung anak mo, 6 years from now, 10 pa lang siya, magagamit mo yung pera habang elementary, pag nag-high school, nag-senior high, nag-college, maybe nag-postgraduate, nag-doktor, nag-MBA, magagamit mo pa rin. After graduation, ikaw naman as the owner yung makakagamit ng pera. So ganun kaganda yung A+ signature, and then ipapamamana mo siya. Alright? This also has non-guaranteed dividends, pero bonus na lang yun, wherein you can leave to accumulate interest. So ganun kaganda yung product na A+ signature. Okay, punta tayo sa another goal na pwede natin pag-usapan. So tapos na tayo din sa long-term savings. Next naman yung income protection or income replacement, which is life insurance. Right? Anong product yung maganda na meron tayo sa AIA? It's called AIA Max Protect. It's our best protection product right now. It's a participating whole life plan. So whole life siya, hindi siya VUL, guaranteed yung paying period niya. Alright? 200% yung life insurance coverage, non-guaranteed dividends meron din siya na pwede kang, habang insured ka, meron kang makukuhang or potential may maipon through dividends. And then you have the freedom to attach riders or not. Pwedeng basic na insurance lang, pwedeng may mga riders. Again, guaranteed yung paying period, pwedeng 5 years to pay lang, pwedeng 10 years to pay, or pay up to age 65. Kahit long-term yung payment, para kang nag-term insurance, pero up to age 100 ka covered. Tapos fixed yung premium. Yun yung maganda dito compared to the term insurance. No? So kung believer ka ng BTID or the buy term invest the difference, instead na mag-term insurance ka, mag-max protect ka. So gumawa ako ng quick quote for the 500,000 face amount, 1 million yung insurance. Alright, so tignan mo, sa 5 years to pay, at age 25, 63,705 lang. O ang total premium niya, 318,525 lang siya. Yun ang total na binayad mo, insured ka ng 1 million. So nabili mo siya at almost 70% discount. Kapag 10 years to pay, almost ganun din. 32,565 lang yung annual, 325,000 lang yung total nun in 10 years. 1 million na rin ang coverage mo. Kung age 35, 83,200 pesos yung 5 years, 416,000 yung total premium, which is about almost 60% discount mo na bili yung pera na ipapamana mo. Kung 10 years to pay, 42,400 lang, which is just, 424,000, almost the same. Nung 416,000, 8,000 lang diferensya. So parang dun ka na sa 10 years, di ba? Ayan. So, age 45 naman, 107,680 yung 5 years to pay, 530,000 total premium, which is almost half, or more than, a little over half lang nung naibayad mo. Sa 10 years to pay, 54,250 is very affordable pa rin. 542,000 lang total cash out, 1 million in insurance. Even age 55, super sulit pa rin, 138,260, 691,000 lang yung total premium, which is about 30% discount. Ganon din sa age, sa 10 years to pay ng age 55, 73,905 lang, 739,000 yung total premium. And look at this, even age 65, 167,020 yung premium, 5 years to pay, 835,000 lang. So kung magpapamana ka na, may mga yung parents mo, maybe lolo, na gusto na magpamana, you have good money, gusto magpamana, alam mo, gastusin mo na yung 17%. No? Makaka-discount ka ng 17% eh. Kung magpapamana ka ng 1 million, kaysa 1 million yung ibigay mo sa apo mo or sa anak mo, 835,000 na lang. Ilipat mo unti-unti with AIA. So that's how life insurance works. Tinignan ko rin yung pay up to age 65, yung murang variant niya. Kung age 25 ka, 11,610 lang siya a year. less than 1,000 a month, insured ka na ng 1 million pesos. Sobrang sulit. Pag age 35, 17,000 lang siya. Less than 1.5 a month, insured ka na rin up to age 100 ng 1 million. Age 45, 31,295, less than 3,000 a month, insured ka na rin ng 1 million. Hindi na siya allowed for age 55 and 65 kasi hanggang age 50 lang po pwedeng bumili ng pay up to age 65. Alright? Itong plan na to, pwede rin ito maglagay ng maraming riders. May 8 riders na pwedeng ilagay sa Max Protect. Pwede rin wala, katulad ng sample ko kanina. So pwede ka maglagay ng critical illness rider, medical benefit rider, hospital income benefit rider, yung merong yung merong kang daily income no, from hospitalization in case ma-hospitalize. Medical benefit rider, yung meron kang health card for confinement purposes. Total and permanent disability, in case of total and permanent disability, may makukuha pera. Personal accident insurance, case of accidental death, may makukuha additional. Alright? Enhanced waiver premium in case of total and permanent disability or critical illness, covered critical illness, ma-waive yung premium. Payers benefit on death and disability in case iba yung owner kay insured, namatay yung owner. So, ma-waive na yung premium for some cases who are applicable. And then, of course, payers term benefit, no, insurance ng payer. No? So, pwedeng dito ko na rin bumili. So, tinignan ko, pwede kang maglagay, let's say, kung gusto mo puro health coverages, so age 35 na pay up to age 65, may 1 million life insurance ka, may 500,000 critical illness coverage, 3,000 hospital income benefit in case of every night of confinement, and then 500,000 na medical benefit rider, yung health card mo, 37,635.42 lang per year. Nag-i-increase ng konti because of the health card part. Alright? Kung naman pure insurance lang, tapos mga riders na mura yung ilalagay mo, 1 million life insurance, 500,000 total and permanent disability, 500,000 personal accident insurance, and then the waiver premium. Ilagay mo lahat yun for a 35-year-old male, pay up to age 65, 19,387.77 lang, which is super mura niya. And then, kung naghahanap ka ng insurance para sa bata, let's say a 4-year-old male, pay up to age 65, 7,370 lang a year. A year yan no, parang less than 700 pesos a month, 600 pesos a month, ganyan. Insured na yung anak mo. Although mahaba-haba, no, pay up to age 65, pero siguro naman, kaya niyang bayaran yan forever. Diba? So super mura niyang mga plans na yan. So si Max Protect din, meron din yung potential to earn dividends. Pero not guaranteed. So bonus na lang yun. Bonus na lang yun. Pag mag-earn ng dividends yung plan mo sa binabayad mo, so meron ka pang pwedeng ma-withdraw maybe after 10 years, 20 years no, as the owner of the policy. Lastly, the third plan with the total financial planning that we do is for the health funding. So sa health funding, ang marirecommend ko is the AIA Critical Protect. Kasi sa health funding, may dalawang klase yan. Health card or yung critical illness coverage. So let's talk about critical illness coverage dito. So the Critical Protect is a whole life insurance. It's not for investment. It has guaranteed cash value din. Alright? Ang coverage niya, it is a critical illness coverage up to age 100. So hanggang age 100, in case ma-diagnose ng critical illness, may makiklaim ka na pera. No? A lot of critical illnesses out there, ang coverage niya, age 65 lang or age 75 lang. Ito up to age 100. So talagang legit. Alright? It also advances 25%. Nung pera mo, kunyari 1 million, instead of 1 million, mag-advance na kagad ng 250,000 in case of diagnosis of the minor critical illness. Okay? Itong plan na to, it covers 100 critical illnesses. 57 major illnesses, 34 minor illnesses, including 9 for juvenile cases, pang bata, 6 female-specific cancer coverage, like breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and then 3 male-specific cancer rider coverage, which is like, for example, prostate cancer. Yun yung mga sample niya. Alright? So, sobrang ganda nitong plan na to. And then, may mga riders siya. No? So, required yung minor critical illness rider. May other riders na pwedeng ilagay, like gender-specific cancer rider, yun nga, yung pang breast cancer, pang prostate cancer, optional yon. Recovery benefit, yung in case nagkaroon ng critical illness, gumaling, may makukuha ka the next 5 years. So, pwede maglagay ng rider na yon. Yung waiver of premium, hindi po needed sa plan na to kasi in case ma-diagnose ng critical illness, mataterminate na yung plan, wala ka ng life insurance. So it's an either-or plan. Critical illness or life insurance, whichever comes first. Kaya super mura siya. Kasi whichever comes first lang. Kumbaga, nangindiguro ka, hindi mo alam kung anong mauna. So kung kaysa bumili ka ng dalawa or ng may coverage ng tig-isa at limited budget, no, you can get both, no, best of both worlds kung ano yung mauna. Alright? And then, payer's benefit. No, requires yung payer's benefit kung ang insured is minor, tapos nagbabayad yung parents niya. Dapat may waiver premium yung sa parents in case of death or total and permanent disability. And then, meron tong Vitality, no, na rider. It's required for approval kasi itong product na to naka-attach sa AIA Vitality program namin, which adds actually sa simula pa lang first year may additional 20% coverage ka kaagad. No, kung 1 million yung coverage mo, magiging 1.2 million. So magkano ba tong AIA Critical Protect or what we call ACP 100? So sa 37-year-old male, 33,605 pesos lang for 20 years. Mayroon ka ng 1 million life insurance or critical illness coverage, 25% of which i-advance 250,000 in case of diagnosis of a minor critical illness. And then may 500,000 additional nito, hindi ito ibabawa sa 1 million. So magiging 1.5 million additional na 500,000 gender-specific cancer benefit in case of male cancer or female cancer pag sa babae. 33,000 a year. For 20 years, that's 660,000 lang. 1 million yung coverage mo. But it can be 1.5 million kung gender-specific yung cancer benefit. So, super mura mo rin nabili yung insurance talaga. Now, kung mayroon kang anak, right? So, I tried for a 3-year-old male. Sa 3-year-old, ilagay mo lahat ng rider na required. 14,870.21 lang per year for 20 years. It's less than 300,000 for 20 years. Ang coverage is 1 million na. So no-brainer ito, walang magulang na ayaw or na hindi kayang magbigay ng about 1,000 a month. Kasi parang 1,000 a month lang to eh. No? So lahat ng magulang, they love their kids. Gusto nila merong insurance din itong mga to. So 1,000 a month, meron yung anak nila. Alright? Then again, meron tong cash surrender value. Diba? So yung lahat ng whole life insurance, no, lahat na na-discuss ko, yung A+ signature, yung Max Protect, yung itong Critical Protect, meron yung cash surrender value just in case for emergencies you needed to get the money. But definitely, it will be lower than what you paid for. Pero guaranteed siya kung ano na yung nasa table. So for example, makikita nyo rito, right, on the 20th year, kung nagbayad ka ng 38,000 a year, so about 760,000, 780,000 yan in 20 years. Ang guaranteed cash value mo is 412,250 for this plan. So, malaki na rin siya. It's more than half. At na-insure ka for the past 20 years. So, hindi ka nalugi dito. May makukuha ka pang sukli. But I highly recommend that this should be the last line of defense. Ito na yung pinakahuli mo dapat withdrawin. Kasi if you withdraw, when you withdraw the cash surrender value in full, mawawala na lahat ng coverage mo. So sayang naman, pag bumili ka ulit, baka matanda na, mahal na, or maybe may sakit na. Diba? Uninsurable na. So wag mo itong galawin unless super kailangan talaga. Alright? Pwede rin mag-loan dyan sa cash value na yan. Pero syempre, hindi siya ganun ka-substantial. Maybe after 10 years, dun mo lang siya mararamdaman. Tapos may interest siya, 9%. Kailangan mong bayaran yun. Or else, kakainin ng interest, yung cash value mo, mauubos siya. So amongst all the things that I discussed today, ang tanong ko, which goal is your priority right now? Can you type in the comment section? Can you let me know? If you message me in my Facebook page, can you let me know? Alright, ano yung priority mo? Long-term savings ba? Protection ba? Or income replacement ba? Life insurance ba? Or health funding? Alright? Leave in the comment section. Let's discuss in this video para mas marami makakita dito. Let me know. Alright? Kasi kumbaga, very important. No? So if you have inquiries, if you have questions, don't hesitate to message me in my Facebook page. Just go to facebook.com/DJDemaliwatOfficial. Send me your questions. I will answer you. You can ask for quotations and I can send you quotations. So all in all, just to wrap this up, we have a total health and wealth proposition here in AIA. We don't just sell VUL. We don't just sell your returns mo in the future, investment, hindi ganon. The proper financial planning is, you know, looking at the different goals: long-term savings, protection, health insurance. And these are the products that we have. All right, for savings, for long-term savings, it's AIA Plus Signature. For protection, it's Max Protect. For health, we have the AIA Critical Protect. And kung gusto mo yung merong health card, yun si AIA Med Assist. All right, so with that, thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next video.